Today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantitative aptitude grand test 47. So let's go for the question. So we have a first question is belongs to data interpretation based on the table. So we have a rice product for the 5 states. So for the 6 years we should go for the question directly. What is the ratio of 25 percentage of total export from the 2008 ratio to 45 percentage from the 2011, 25 percentage of 2008, 300, 400, 300, 1000 plus 200 and 300, 1500. So 50 plus 50 plus 50, 150 plus 75, 225, 225 plus 1500, 1725, and it is a ratio to 45 percentage of 2011 value. Here 300, 400, 700 and 1100 and 1700. Remember that 1700 and extra value here. The 5 will be added here. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 40, 160, 160 plus 50, 210, 210 plus 25, 235, 235 added to 1700. It is a 1935. And cancel the values here. 5 5s are and 5 9s are. Again cancel with 5, 5 1s are and 5 3s are 15. Remaining value is 43. 5 8s are 5 7s are. And cancel with 3, 3 3s are and 3 5s are 15. Remaining value is 22. 5 7s are 21 and remaining value is 15. 5 575 is to 3 into 387. So look at 575 here. It is not divisible by any numbers. Only this option is available with starting with 575. Then our option is B. The question number is 42. The question is, if the export of rice in year 2014 is increased by 25 percentage, so 10 percentage, 20 percentage, 15 percentage and 30 percentage as compared to previous year from state A, B, C, D, E respectively, then the difference between the total export in year 2014 and 2012 from all the states together. From all the states purpose we can add it. So sorry, not add it, differences. We'll take the percentage value 25 percentage. 25 percentage of 450, it is 112.5 plus 10 percentage of 525, it is a 52.5. And next 20 percentage 80. And next 15 percentage 61.5 plus 30 percentage 78. And next here we need the differences. For the difference purpose we are writing here the difference 500 to 450 difference is minus 150, 300 to 525 difference is 225, and next 550 to 400 difference is minus 50 plus 330 to 410 difference is 80, and next 245 to 260 difference is 15. And these values can be added. Minus 150 plus minus 50, 200, minus 200 is removing from the plus 225. The result is 25. The 25 is added to 15, 40, 40 plus 80. It is a total value 120. As it is, we should add it these values also. 0.5, 0.5. It is a 1. 62 plus 52, 114. 114 is added to 78, 192. The 192 is added to 112.5, and this 80 plus 120, 200, this 200 we should add it here. The 0.5 and 4, 9 plus 1 it is a 10, 5, 504.5. thus overall value 504.5 thousand of tons means we'll get an option is E, 5045. Go for the next question. Here the next question, what is the difference between the total exports of rice from state B and C together? Total exports rice from state B and E together in given years. We did the differences, sum and difference. B and C sum value 450, 350, it is a 800, and 250, 350, it is a 600, 600, 625, 600, 625 is removing from the 800, the result is 175. And next 315, 500, 815, from 815 we should remove the 380, 395, 380, 395 value is 775. 775 is removing from the 815, the 15 and 25, it is a value is 40. And next 350, 550, 900 and 9, 260 plus 425, it is value is 685. 685 is removing from the 900, the result is 215. And here 425, 450, 875, here 350 and 365 which is equal to 705. From 875, 705, from 875, 705 will be removed, will get a what is the value 170. And next 300 and 550, 850, and 330, 245, which is equal to 575, 575 and 850. We'll remove it here. So 575 to 800, how much you should add it? 225. 225 plus 50, 275. And next here 525 and 400, 925. 925 value from 925, 429, 260, it is equal to 670. 5 and plus 12 minus 7, it is equal to 5, and 8 minus 6, 2, it is value is what? 255. These total values we should add it to getting an answer. So here 200 plus 200, it is a 400, and 400, it is a 500, it is a 700, and it is 800. Till now 800, and extra values we should be added. 75, 75, 80, 80 plus 50, 130, 130 plus 70, 200, 200 plus 40, 240, 240, 15 plus 75, it is a 90, 240 plus 90, it is equal to, so 240 plus 90, it is a 330. Then 330 plus 800, overall value is what? So 1130. The 1130 option is belongs to what is option? D. Go for the next question. The percentage rise in exports from the previous year was the maximum during which of the following year from state A? From state A, comparing to which year the rise value is increased. Look at 300 to 415, just 115 increased, and it is just 40 increased, and here decreased, and here is increased. Look at comparing to 2011, 2012 is more increment, then our option is D. Next, here the what is the ratio of total exports from the 5 states in a year 2010 to 2013? 2010 total value is required 400, 300, 700, 700 plus 500, 1200, 1200 plus 2, 1400, 1400 plus 4, it is 1800, and extra values we should add it. 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 160, 160 plus 50, 210, 210 plus 5, 215, 215 added to 25, it is 240, 240 added, it is equal to overall 2040. This is the ratio of, this is the total value of 210, and again we should add it the 2013 also. And here 400, 500, 900, 900, 400, it is a 1300, 1300 and 400 and 200, 1900, 1900, just remember it, 1900, and extra we should add it here. 10 plus 60, 70, 70 plus 50, 120, 120 plus 25, 175, 175 added. It is equal to, what is the value here? 2075. And cancel with 5, the both are the numbers. Which is the number will be going to cancel here? So 5 4s and 5 8. So 408. Which option is contained 408? C. And if you cancel this also, we'll get 409 with 5. Then final our option is C. Next, directions we have 46 to 50 based on the quadratic equation. Look at here. So 7 8 56. The factors are 8 comma 7 and divide with 7, and minus plus is always giving positive factors. We can write directly 8 by 7 comma 1, and 6 2s are 12. 12 we can write 3 comma 4. 3 4s are 12, and 3 comma 4 is 7, and divide with 6. Then what was the value? 3 comma 6 we can write 1 by 2, and 4 by 6 we can write 2 2s and 2 3s, and here the value is 1. So 8 by 7 value is more than 1, and 2 by 3 is value is less. Comparing to y values, x value is bigger, then our relation is x greater than y. Our option is A. Go for the next question. Here the 35. 35 we can write 5 7s are 5 7s are 35, and 5 plus 7 it's 12. And next 28. 28 we can write 4 comma 7 minus 4 and minus 7. Then what was the relation here? Minus 7 equal minus 7 to minus 4, which is a greater. Here the minus 4 is a greater, and here minus 5 to minus 4, which is a greater. Here the minus 4. But look at minus 5 to minus 7, minus 5 is a greater. 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is what? E. The relation is cannot be established. Next one, x square minus 17x plus 16 is equal 60 is equal 0. Then 12 5s are, the factors are 12 comma 5, and here the factors is 12 comma 3, and comparing the values here, 12 to 12 equal, and 12 to 3, 12 is a bigger, and 5 to 12, 12 is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means answer is what? E option. Next, 192 purpose we can write 12 comma 16. And next, 48 purpose, what is the numbers we can write? 12 fours are. And here the relation is what? 12 to 12 equal, 12 to minus 4 is bigger. Comparing to minus 16, minus 12 and minus 4, these both are also bigger. Then our relation is x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y means our option is D. Next, here x square plus 7x plus 12, it is 4 comma 3, minus 4 comma minus 3. Here is minus 3 comma minus 2. And what is the relation? Minus 3 equal, minus 3 to minus 2. Minus 2 is bigger, and minus 4 to minus 3, it is a minus 3 is bigger, and here is then less than equal means our relation is what? X less than or equal to y. D. Next, we have a certain data to calculate a values. We should simplify the total data to finding an answer. Yeah, we have a questions 51 to 55. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. We have a total data for the based on the Venn diagrams. We required here the two Venn diagrams, for the one is boys and one is girls, and total students they are given 117 and 28. So 1728 we should distribute 79 19 ratio wise. So 1728 total parts are 36 parts. 36 parts is equal 1728. Each one part is 48, and boys value is 17 parts, girls part is 19 parts, and we should multiply 48 into 17 will get 816. 816 is removing from the 1728. What is the value will get? 17 minus 8 9, and 28 minus 16, which is equal to here 912. 912 and 816. And look at, each student speak at least one language. Among the girls 20 can speak. Here the boys purpose we can make the one Venn diagram, and girls purpose also we can make the one diagram. And this is Hindi, and this is English, and this is Hindi, and this is English. And here the next line is given. So among the girls 20 can speak Hindi and English. Among the girls 20 can speak Hindi and English. Okay, this is the girls value. And next 50 percentage, 178 50 percentage, which is equal to 8 50 28 half value, it is a 864. This is belongs to only Hindi. This is only Hindi means, look at, only Hindi to only English, what is the ratio? 430 to 407. 432 double value 864, then 407 double value is 814, which is equal to only English. The ratio of the number of boys speaking English only to that of girls speaking English is 124 is to 283. So 124 plus 283, which is equal to here. So 407 double value 814. Here total English wise we can make the boys and girls. Boys girls value 124 double value 248, and girls double value 280 double 560 and 566. And we should substitute the values. So only English wise, girls wise how much? 566, and boys wise how much is 248. And from 912 20 and 566 will be going to removing. 500 will be removing from the 900, will get 400. From 412 66 plus 86 will be going to removing. From 12 minus 6 value is 6, and here the value is 0. Then 40 minus 8 value is 32, 326. It is a 326 and 20 and 566. And coming to the here boys value also we should adjust it. Then boys already we known 248, that is we already written. Then we should share the only Hindi value also here. So total only value of the 864, from 864 this 326 will be removed now. We'll get what is the result? Only boys Hindi value. So 864 minus 326. Look at 800 minus 300, 500. 64 minus 26, it is a 500, and 64 minus 26, which is equal to 28. And 528 and 248 added and removing from the 816 will get a what is the result? 30. Now we have a Venn diagram is ready to solving a questions. And look at the questions. What is the first question? The first question is what is the number of boys who speak both the languages? Then who speak the both the languages? How many value? 30. Look at the first Venn diagram. Then how many members? 30 here. And coming to the next question, 52. What is the ratio of number of boys who speak Hindi only to that of girls who speak Hindi only? So 528 and next here the 326. 528 and 326 we should both are divisible by 2. 326 is divisible by 2. We'll get 163. 163 here. Our option is D. What is option? D option is the answer for this. And next, go for the next question. What is the number of girls who speak English only? Number of girls who speak English only. What is the number? So who speak English only? 566. Our option is what? A. Next, how many girls can speak Hindi only? How many girls speak only Hindi? How many members? 326. Option is A. Go for the next question, 55th. What is the difference between total number of students speaking Hindi only and English only? So Hindi only is, what is the difference between total number of students speaking here Hindi only and English only? 864 to 814. Difference is how much? 50. Our option is C. Our option is C here. Next, the data completed. We have a 56 to 60. The directions based on the simplification. The simplification they are asking for approximation. Look at the approximation value. 75 they are given. 7597. We are writing 7598 minus 8547 plus 3465, which is divisible by root of 17. Root of 17 we can write root of 16, that is equal to 4, and x square plus 147 is divisible by 7. So 7 2s are 7 1s are. It is equal to what? 21. So approximately we are taking 7598 and 8547. Look at here, from 598 547 will be going to removing. So 500 cancel. 47 is removing from the 98. We'll get a 51. The 51 will be added here. So 3 4 plus 6y, and here the 7000 to 8000 minus 1000. The minus 1000 will be removed it here. The 3000, it is only 2000. Then final value is 2000 and 400, and 61 will be added here, not 400. It's a 5 plus 1 6, and 6 plus 1 1. It is a 5. So final value is 2516, which is divisible by what is the number? 4 and x square plus 21. And 4 will be divided with the value 4 6 are 24, and remaining value is 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. Plus 21 will be removing, you will get a 605, but we need x square value. As per the option, which is option is very close to, so 605. So 25 square answer, only 25 square answer is available very near to 600. Then our option is E. Next, root of 528 they are given. Root of 528 we can write 23 into 4.76 we can write 5 divided by 22.78 we can write 23 plus root of 2116. It is equal to 46 x square. So 16 plus 20. 16 plus 20 value 36. And here 23 cancel. 46 plus 5 51. From 51 what is the value is subtracting? 36. So x square, which is equal to 46 plus 5, it is a 51 minus 36, which is equal to 15. X square is equal to 15 and x is equal to what? Root of 15 means approximately will get option is 4. 4 square is 16. Question number 58. So look at the data. Here the 43% is given. We'll write 43% of 1400 minus 36% of x minus 18 into 21, which is equal to 134. Every term is contain even number. Try to cancel it. 2 6 are, 2 7 are, 2 9 are, 2 18 are, and 2 sevens are. And percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. It is equal to 301 minus 18 percentage of x, and 9 into 21 it is a 189, which is equal to 67. And if we are simplifying 301 and 180 and 67, we'll get 45, which is equal to 80 percentage of x. 80 percentage of x, we can write 18 by 100. Cancel the numbers here. So 3, 9 2s are, and 9 5s are, and 2 to 50, 50 times 50 5s are 250. Our option is C. Next question, root of 48.99 they're given. We are writing a root of 49, which is equal to 7, plus 1.99 square, we can write 2 square, which is 4x, and 3.89 we can write 4q. 4q value is 64 minus 11 plus 100. So we should simplify the values here. So 64 minus 11, 53. 53 add into 100, 153. From 153, this value is 153. From 153, 7 will be removed. We'll get, here is 146. 146 by 4, which is equal to x. So 4 how many times? 4 3s are 12. Remaining value is, so 26. 4 6 are 24. Our option is 37. 36 is very near to 37. Next, root of 80.95 is given. We can write root 81. We should write 9 into root of 16 value is 4 into x. And next 35, it is a 6, and 4 square value 16 plus 13.99 we can write 14. 16 plus 14 30, 30 plus 6 36, 9 4 is also 36, and total value will be cancelled. Our option is A, 1. And we have a statements and assumptions. We should take an assumption as a statement to calculating a question here. So look at what is the first one. And first question, how many people are there in the bus? There are 74 women in the bus, and 53% passengers are men, and 10% children in the bus. 53 plus 10%, 63%, remaining 37% belongs to women. That means based on this, we can easily calculate what was the statement is required to finding an answer. Not only first and not only second, but we need both two statements to finding an answer. Then which option is correct? C option is correct. 1 and 2 both together is sufficient. And move for the next question. What is the age of the C in the group of A, B, C, D, E if the average age of the group is 55 years? Total age group value is 55. 55 into 5 apply, you will get A to E. So total summation. Average of D and E and average of A and B. D and E, A and B value is required. We need C value. Without knowing the A and B, without knowing the D and E, we can't find out. Then which are the statements are required? Both two statements are required to finding an answer. Next, what is the ratio between two numbers? Here the p value, q value is required. P value is generating from first statement, q value is generating from second statement. That means two statements are required to getting a ratio. Then final answer is both two statements. Then coming to the next one, how much time will be train A to cross train B running in opposite direction? Then crossing purpose we need a length and speeds also. Here the respectively ratio of speeds train A to train B ratio is 2:3. The sum of the lengths of the train A is 420. But we don't know individual lengths. But we know that from the statement 2 is giving individual speed. The individual speed is substituted for the train A, will get a train B speeds also. Both are in a opposite direction, means the 2 plus 3 both are the two speeds are, we should add it, but the particular speed will be generated from statement 2, and statement 1 is helpful to finding a total answer. That means two statements are enough to finding an answer. Here is also we can write both. And coming to the next, average employee of working in a SBI branch is 40 years. Next 15 years employees will be retired. What will be the average age of employee? First of all, I need to know total how many employees in a branch. First statement is giving total employees. And next, retirement of the people is how many members? Next year 15 employees will be going to 15 years. Who is have 15 years will be going to retirement, but retirement age employees is how many years? 62 years. That means these two statements are compulsory required to finding a overall answer. Then here is also what we can say, both. And we have a data based on the line graph. So here the question is, the given bar graph shows the number of manufacturing mobile and number of non-defective mobile in different companies. So here manufacturing is red color, non-defecting value is yellow color. From total manufacturing, non-defective value will be removed, will get a defective value also as per the question. Go for the question directly. Here the first question is, what is the average number of non-defective mobile from CDE together? CDE value is this. So 3200, 2500 and 1800. So these are added here. So 1800, so 1800, 3200, it is a 5000, 5000, 2500, 7500. Average means by 3, 7500 by 3, it is a 2500. So our option is E. Next, here the question is, the number of non-defective mobile in B is approximately what percentage more than the number of defective mobile in E? So B non-defective mobile is 2300 and defective value from the E. So from 3400, 1800 will be removed, will get 1600. From 2300 to 1600, difference is how much here? So 700. 700 by 1600, we need percentage, multiply with 100 and 0 cancel. Then we'll get a value 16 to 70 how many times? 16 4s are 64, remaining value is 80. Not we are applying 16 5s are, we are applying here also 16. So 16 4s are 64, 64 means remaining value is 60. So 60 means 16 how many times we can apply? 3 times. Then which option is contain 40? 43.75% is our answer. Next, what is the difference between the number of non-defective mobile in A and E together? A and E. A value 2600 and E value 1800. 18 plus 26, it is equal to 44. 4400. Then the number of defective mobile from B and E together. Defective mobile from B and E together. 4000 minus 2700, which is equal to 1700. And non-defective mobile from E, here 1800. Total value 3400. From 3400, 1800 will be removed, will get 1600. So 1700 plus 1600, so 3300. 3300 is removing from the 4400, will get 1100 is our answer. Next here, what is the ratio of number of mobile manufactured in A to the number of defective mobiles from D? So manufacturing value is 5000 and defective value from D. Here 4500, 2500 will be removed, will get what is the value? 2000. 5000 to 2000, what is the ratio? 1000 will be cancelled. Our option is 5:2. Next, if the price of the non-defective mobile in C is 6000, non-defective mobile is 6000. C non-defective value is, what is the value? 3200. 3200 mobiles are there, and the price of the defective mobile in C is 3500 into, we require the defective mobiles in C. Here 4700 minus 3200, which is equal to 1500. This value will add it to getting a final answer. Look at here, 6 to 630 and it is equal to 192, and it is the value is 192 0. And here the 000000 is there, here 0000, okay, 5 zeros. And here also, here 15 5s are 75, 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 7 52. We should add it. How many zeros here? 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. This is, we should add it to getting a overall value here. So overall value wise, what is the value we can add it? 9 plus 5 4 2 24. 24 4 5 2 4 4 5. Our option is D. Go for the next question. Look at, A is 1 times as efficient as B. B takes 5 more days than A to complete the work. So A efficiency and B efficiency is 1.5 times. This is a 1.5 times means, this is a 3 times means it is a 2 times. So 1.5 times to 1 time, then 3 times to 2 time. This is a 2 to 3. Here the ratio 3:2. Then how many days? 5 days. Then it is a 10 days and it is a 15 days. This is the efficiency ratio. Interchange it. We'll get a timings ratio and we'll get C. See, C will be B takes 3 days more than C. That means C will be complete total work in how many days? 12 days. And 10, 15, 12 total value is 60 and it is a 5, it is a 4 and it is 6. 6 plus 4 plus 5 total work will be completed in how many? 15. But as per the question, what all of them begin together. So 15 we have a target is 60, but first 2 days all are working. 15 to the 30 units is completed. After the 2 days A left, remaining work is done by B and C only. But last 3 days is at the time of last 3 days, who left from the work? C. That means last 3 days is work done by whom? So only B. The B can complete it. 4 3s are 12. Then 30 plus 12 is 48. 48 is removing from the 60. It is equal to 18. The 18 units is completed by this is a B portion. This is a A plus B plus C portion. This is belongs to whose portion? B plus C portion. B plus C completed 18. Then B plus C will be 9 units per day for in 18 units purpose. How many days are required? 2 days required. Then finally, what is answer? First 2 days, last 3 days, in middle 2 days. Totally 2 plus 3 plus 2. Overall, how many days work is completed? 9 days will be completed. Our option is none of this. Next question. A bag contains balls of 3 colors red, green, blue. There are total 60 balls in the bag, out of which 25 are green colored balls. If 2 balls are picked randomly, one by one from the bag without replacement, and the probability of the first being green and the second being is red is 25 by 177. 25 by 177. Look at total balls are 60 balls. Out of 60 balls, so 25 belongs to green, 25 belongs to green, blue is I am assuming X, and out of 60 25 will be removed, remaining is 35. Out of 35 X balls are blue. Then look at what is the probability they are given. 25 by 177. First, what is the ball is going to be? If 2 balls are picked randomly one by after one from the bag without replacement, the probability of the first being is green. First being green is 25 by 60. Total balls are 60. Out of that we are picking so green ball. First one is green. Next one is belongs to here the second being is red. Red ball is belongs to what? 35 minus. Already one ball is not replaced means remaining is how many balls? 59. This probability they are already given 25 by 177. Cancel the numbers. 25 25 cancel. 59 3 times 3 to 20. The 20 will be come out here. 35 minus x is equal to 20. Then 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. Then blue color balls we are assumed is x. X is equal to what is the value? 15. Our option is D. Go for the next question. The cost of first type salt is 25 rupees per kg and second salt is so 27.5. So but first salt is 2 kgs, second salt is 3 kgs. That means so first salt is 25 rupees per kg, 2 kgs means 50 rupees plus 27.5 3 kgs 27.5, 27 3s are 81.5, it is a 82.5, and we need only 1 kg value. This is a 2 kg value, this is a 3 kgs value. We have a how many kgs? 5 kgs. But finally we need only 1 kg value, that's why I am dividing 5. And next, mixed variety of salt is made how much percentage? Yes sir, above the cost price, 20% above the cost price to marking the value. So 50 plus 82.5, either cancel with 15 to 50 10 times and 5 ones are remaining value is 30, 5 6 are and 5, 16.5 and 10 which is equal to 26.5. In this 26.5 we are going to increasing how much percentage? 20%. 10% is value 2.65, again 10% is 2.65, 2.65 plus 2.65 which is equal to 5.3. Then 5.3 added, that is our answer. So 26.5 5.3, our option is what? 31.8. Next, A and B are 240 kilometers apart. A train starts from A at 8 o'clock and B starts at 9 o'clock. A speed is 15 kmph and B speed is 30 kmph. At what time will they meet? Meeting point is time purpose. We can make the starting times are equal. First train is 8 o'clock. It is going by 15 kilometer per hour. So up to 9 o'clock, it is already covered 15 kilometers means remaining is how many kilometers? 225. Then 15 kmph and next 30 kmph. Total speeds opposite direction is 45 kmph which is equal to 5 hours. And both are started what time? 9 o'clock now. Okay, already 15 kilometers removed, that is why it is a 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock plus 5 hours means it is a 14 hours. 14 time as per the train, then 14 means it is equal to how, what is the time? 2 p.m. Our option is what? A. The question number is 75. Each month, Samir out of his monthly salary pays 25% towards to rent. So his salary is X. 25% gone means remaining is 3 by 4. And next time 40% gone means 60%, that is 3 by 5. And next here he spent 40% again means next it is equal to 3 by 5. Finally he saves how much rupees? 1 lakh 8,000. The 8,000 which is belongs to how many months? 5 months. Then going to cancel, but we need only rent purpose. Rent purpose we should calculate, just we should calculate here only x into 1 by 4 is enough, because out of salary 25% is belongs to x, the rent value. That's why I'm writing here. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. The 27 to 198, how many times? 4 times. And 5 5 cancel. This 5 will be multiplied to 4. 5 4s are 20. That means our answer is 20,000. There is no option except none of this. Our option is none of this for this question. Next, a vessel contain 180 liters. A vessel contain 180 liters mixture, milk and water in the ratio 3:2. Out of 180 liters, 50 liters are going to removing, remaining is 130 liters. The 130 liters also we are separating. What is the ratio wise? 3:2. 3 plus 2 5. 5 parts is equal to 130. 5 2s are 5 6 are. And 2 parts is equal to 52. And 3 parts is equal to, so 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are, it is a 78. 78 plus 52 is equal to overall 130. Now you are adding extra 18 liters water. Then 18 liters water added, it is equal to 70 and it is equal to 78. 17 and 70 both are cancelled. Then our option is what? 39:35. Next, the ratio of present age of Amir and Abi is 4:x. 6 years ago, the age of the Amir and the Abi 5 years ins. What is the ratio given? 2:5. And after the 10 years, the sum of the ages of two persons is 56 years. After the 10 years, 56 years means present is what? 36. So first person 10 increase, second person 10 increase, then 36. It is a 20 will be removed, it is a 36. And look at this ratio is what? This ratio is 6 years will be ago and 5 years hence. 6 years ago and 5 years hence means -1. Minus 6 years back and 5 years after, it is a -1. The -1 will be removed, it is equal to 35. 2 plus 5, 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 35. 5 parts is equal to 25. 5 2s are 10. Then look at, this is the first person, this is the second person. Amir 6 years ago. 6 years ago 10 years means present is 16. And Abi 5 years ends 25 means present is 20. Then what is the question they are asking? The ratio of present age of Amir and Abi 4:6. This is cancel. You will get 4 parts and it is a 5 parts. 4:x. X is equal, what is answer? 5. Our option is B. Next question. PQR enter into a business by investing X plus P and Q X plus 25,000 and R entered X minus 5,000. Then after the 6 months, R invested 10,000 extra. R invested 10,000 extra means it is equal to X plus 5,000 and P withdraw 5,000. That means it is equal to X minus 5. And find the value of X if the share of Q and R in the ratio of 8:3. After the 6 months, Q is not changes. That means his investment X plus 25. This is the first 6 months, next 6 months, first 6 months, next. All the 6 will be cancelled. Just will calculate for Q and R. X plus 25, X plus 25, 2 into X plus 25. And look at here, -5 plus 5 cancel, x, it is a 2x, which is equal to, what is the value? 8 by 3. It is a 2 cancel, x is equal 3 parts. Here is also 3 parts means, then here total is 8 parts. That means 5 parts is equal to 25. 5 parts is equal to 25 means each part is equal to 5,000. Then 3 parts is equal to how many thousand? 15,000. X is equal to 3 parts, 3 parts is equal to 15,000. Then our option is D. Next, two pipes P and Q cistern can be filled 12 and 15 minutes. So respectively, if both are opened together at the end of 3 minutes, the first is closed, how much extra time will be Q take to fill the cistern here? So here first will be filling 12 and second will be filling 15. They both are completely a full time. So after the end of the 3 minutes, the first is closing. That means first is working for 3 minutes, Second is work over total time. 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is removing from the 1, which is equal to, so 3 by 4 and x by 15. 15 3 is a 45. 45 is dividing with 4. It is will get 11 1 by 4 minutes. Total time to spending a filling a tank 11 1 by 4. But we need not total time. We require the extra time. Already 3 minutes completed means extra time is what? 8 1 by 4 minutes. Next question. A man can row at the rate of 4 kmph still water at the time taken to row certain distance upstream 3 times as much time same distance downstream, then up and down. So times ratio is 3:1 means speeds ratio is 1:3. And what is the calculation here? Then boat speed and current speed is we have to calculate. They are given already boat speed, we should calculate for current speed. 1 plus 3 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Then 3 2 1 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to how many kilometer per hour? 2 kilometer per hour. Our option is D.